Drones are no longer just flying cameras. In the near future, they'll reshape industries, create new careers, and open doors we can barely imagine today. Let's explore the top drone jobs of the future.
Major companies are investing in drone delivery networks. From food and medicine to e-commerce packages, pilots and technicians will be needed to manage fleets and ensure safe skies. Instead of climbing towers or shutting down bridges, drones will handle inspections. Jobs will include data analysis, monitoring, and maintenance of inspection drones. In disasters, drones save lives. They'll deliver supplies, locate missing people, and provide real-time aerial data. Future first responders will train to use drones as life-saving tools. Farmers are already using drones to monitor crops and spray fields. Tomorrow, specialists will manage swarms of agricultural drones, boosting food security worldwide. From blockbuster films to social media, drones will revolutionize storytelling. New creative roles will emerge for skilled drone pilots and video editors. The future of drones is about more than flying, it's about careers, innovation, and building the world of tomorrow. Will you be ready? Subscribe if you enjoyed this video.